Hi everyone, AG is here. I've been upload one of my chest workout at home to my Instagram. And I've been bombarded with a lot of different questions about the detail why I did that. So I decided to make this video and show all those workouts and the reason why I did those workouts only and what is the logic and reason behind the performance, whatever the sets, reps, and whatever you saw in the video. I will explain in detail in this video. This workout is for ladies and gentlemen both, doesn't matter. And the duration of the workout is 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And most probably a lot of the ladies and some beginners cannot perform exactly the way I did. For those, I show the alternative workouts pictures, so you can use those workouts rather than what I did. Let's first jump into the workout, see the workout, I explain all the details. Then after that, I will give them some more information about the modeling's workout, what is the difference between the bodybuilder models, and a lot of other extra explanation is there, so I put it in the end of this video. Before doing any kind of workout, you have to warm up your body, and it means you have to increase your heartbeat by doing or performing the very moderate paced, easy cardio between 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to warm up your joint, and at the end you have to warm up the target muscle. The target muscle is the muscle group you want to work on it in that day. For example, today I want to do the chest day. First, for general warm up, I did a jump rope between 5 to 10 minutes. Then I warm up my shoulder joints by rotating my shoulders and active my rotator cuff. Then I start warming my target muscle, which is chest today, by doing the push-ups and a little bit of squeezing and flexing and stretching. Then I went for the real sets, which in that sets I pushed my limit a little bit further. First workout is a decline push-up. Decline push-up is good for the upper section of the chest. I perform it by bringing my hips up and my head down. You can do it on the floor, but I use 2 chairs to increase the domain of the movement, allow me to feel more stretch on the chest and more pressure I can put on the upper chest. When I use 2 chairs, I can easily go down deep like when you're performing at the gym with the dumbbell. So there is more tension for the muscles fiber. If you notice, I do this workout with the slow pace. Obviously, I can easily do it very fast and feel like a hero and be proud that I did it so fast, so much and like that. But for the building muscle hypertrophy, it doesn't work like this. You need to do your workout with the proper pace and focus on the fiber you want to active and need a hypertrophy. For example, I want to hypertrophy in my upper chest, so I do it very slowly to focus on my upper chest fibers by flexing those fibers and make a contract on the upper part, not other part of the body. Because if we're pushing something, you can easily push something or do the same push-up by using your triceps, using your front shoulder. Even you can use your back to do the push-up by extending your back. Easily you can perform the push-up. But the point is, we want to build muscle, we want an aesthetic body. In this workout, we work on this part, upper chest, not the triceps, not the back, not even like CrossFit, we use the performance, body performance, or general or total body performance. We want hypertrophy here. I superset the push-up with the resistance bands because in the gym I used to work out very heavier than what you see now. And my body need the heavy weight, but I don't have any equipment like right now to stimulate same pressure and same tension on muscles. Rather than using the heavy weight, which I don't have right now, I use a different training system. The best training system which I like more, it's superset. I keep doing pressing, incline push-up with the resistance band till the time I get tired. Once I get tired, I don't give up. I push myself 1 or 2 more reps. That's why I grow, that's why I make muscle. Most of the people at this point, they will give up or they leave the weight, they don't push themselves a little bit further. Once they feel a little bit pain, soreness, they said, okay, that's enough. That's why they cannot grow, they cannot build muscle. You have to push yourself at least 1 or 2 reps more ahead to build muscle. This is the key point. First, I target my upper section of chest because it's very important compared to the other part of the chest, from my opinion, especially for those who are interested to the modeling. I will discuss and explain why it's important in modeling upper chest compared to the other part of chest at the end of this video. For those who cannot perform like this, there is two alternatives which I suggest. You can put your knee on the stool or chair and cut your leg weight and make it easier. Or if it's too easy for you and wants a little bit harder, you can perform decline push-up without bringing your hips up. Honestly, about the sets and reps, I never counted for myself. I just considering how much pressure I put on my chest. But generally, if you want to suggest someone, I perform between 4 to 5 sets. Each sets between 8 to 12 reps. This is general to give the idea for those who don't know their body or doesn't have any idea about the workout and all. Workout number 2 is normal chest push-up. Almost everything is similar to the first one, but just consider this. I use chair to stretch my chest. Because I saw a lot of people in the gym doing the chest press and they do a lot. They don't have a wide chest. They have a strong but short chest muscle and it causes to bring the shoulder inside, rotated inside. It feels good like having the chest like that, but it doesn't look good, guys. Your chest has to be open wide to looks nice, like a model, like a fitness model, like a fashion models. Again, I superset it with the resistance band, but in this superset, I focus to pull those things together with the middle part of my chest. Try to active these fibers, to active whole fiber of my chest. It doesn't matter you want to lose weight or gain muscle. You have to work hard. Your calorie intake determines you lose weight or gain muscles. People think, oh, if I want to lose weight, so I shouldn't work out hard. No, it's wrong. You have to do it very hard. When it comes to the resistance training, workout, gym, totally, you have to push yourself to build muscle. For the cardio, for the diet and other things, it makes difference. I don't want to make gain because of the fashion show and modeling. Totally, I have to be on the same measurement, which I am. But if you notice, when I get tired and I cannot perform even one more rep, I do it like I cheating actually, because I don't have any partner. So to push my limit a little bit further, I have to cheat. I have to use like a little bit triceps, a little bit back to push it a little bit again. So I did 3 quick finishing reps to, push that limit. Cheating is fine, actually it's good if you don't have a partner at gym to spot you. Just you have to be careful, don't hurt yourself. For those who cannot do the proper push-up, just put your knees down and make it much easier, then try it. Again, I don't count my sets and reps, I just consider the pressure on my muscles. But for generally speaking, 3 to 4 sets, each set 8 to 12 reps. The third workout is deep parallel, which is very important for boy and girls both. I know most of you guys forget this part, or you don't put that much time and effort that you should for developing this part. That's why at the gym you can see a lot of people have a proper shape of arm, like biceps, nice definition of their triceps. But when they remove their t-shirts, you can see a small muscle as a chest. There is no fitness model chest looks. From my opinion, the deep parallel is one of the best exercise anyone can perform to make very decent shape of chest. I got a lot of direct message, how do the chairs not fall? Exactly, the point is you have to focus on that muscles, not doing the movement. By going up and down, you cannot build muscle. You can increase your performance or functionality. That's the CrossFit, that's the other sports. But for building muscle, you have to focus on that particular muscles. For those who cannot perform deep parallel, I suggest you just try hold yourself, jump up, try to hold yourself, then come down. Again, jump up, try to hold yourself as much as possible. Or you can do one more thing, jump up and try to hold by coming down slowly. Again, when you reach down, jump up, again, try to hold yourself, coming down slowly. Or you can use the alternative workout which I show you. The most important thing is you can do the deep parallel by using your triceps, using the back, using the shoulder. A lot of muscle you can engage to perform this workout. But You have to do it by your chest. Squeeze and flex your chest, not triceps, not shoulder, not other part. Focus, do it properly, in a good shape, and feel your muscles. Done. I know, oh, 3 workouts only. Yes, of course. Building your muscle is not about doing or performing 1,000 workouts. You can build very nice body by doing the 3-4 workout maximum. But if you're doing in the proper shape, right way, and intense workout. Another big mistake is people try to do the 10, 12 different workouts, but they don't go all in even in the one workout. The problem is here. Now I guess those who are interested in modeling probably asking, so I mean, what is different between modeling workout and bodybuilding, men's physique, body classic, and different type of workout? All looks same. You know guys, workout is same. Everyone go to the gym doing the chest. Everyone go to the gym doing the bench press. But the difference is the how you plan it. Whole plan are different. Let me explain more by giving an example. For example, in the chest day, bodybuilder has those workout in his plan which give more massive chest. For sure, you know the famous pose of the Arnold is the side chest to show the volume or mass of his chest. But this chest doesn't work for the fashion model, and it's clear. Fashion model doesn't need to the massive pop-up chest. He need the good shape, proper flat chest. Because when a model wearing the clothes like shirts, if he has a pop-up or massive chest like Arnold, shirt will be pulled from button here, and it doesn't look so wrinkle come to the garments, and none of the designer like wrinkle comes to their garments. That's why for so many years I put my priority on the upper chest and lower chest. At the end of the workout, I do the cool down and stretching. One of other difference between bodybuilder and fashion model is that flexibility. Fashion model has to be flexible because weight training will reduce your flexibility, especially in girls is very important. And it negatively affect on your catwalk, your posing, and other aspect of the modeling. That's why as a model, if you want to do the workout, you can do it, but you have to keep your flexibility in good range. The truth is you cannot expect having the body of the one fitness model or bikini model, which you can see in the picture, from the home workout because you don't have that much equipment. But as you can see, my body is in the decent shape. It's not my 100%, but it's not that much bad. Just consider that I record this video in lockdown. There was 7 to 8 months lockdown, no gym at all. I just keep working out at home. And at the time of the recording video, I wasn't 100% on my diet. I enjoy my life, 80% healthy food, 20% junk food and other food, at 80-20 rules. But having the same level of body has target of a lot of people who doing the other job, having other life, they are not 100% in the fitness, they are not fitness competitor, they are not bikini competitor, but they want to decent body. That's why I showed this video to tell you guys, doesn't matter if you don't have a gym. Because of coronavirus, you don't want to go to the gym if you have. You can do the workout at home, keep your diet 80% healthy, 20% enjoy your food, having fun with your friends. But don't be lazy and postpone, the workout for tomorrow. The day I record this video, I had a 12 hours photo shoot from morning. I was standing, posing, and it's not an easy job, 12 hours working. Then I came home by 8:30, almost 9, had some small snack, then start workout at the 10. That's why I did a 30 to 45 minutes workout. There's another point which I like to mention is when, for example, like my day, you have the very tough time, tough day or hard day, you don't eat well, you work out hard. And generally, you have a lot of tension during the day. It's not necessarily going all in for the workout. You cannot do every day all into the gym or at the gym or in the home. Sometimes it's better to avoid the intense workout because already during the day you had a lot of tension, for example, that day. And if you want to go for the high intensity workout, you add on more tension to your day. And it's not good for the long term. But it doesn't mean you escape the workout. As you can see, I perform my workout. I don't postpone it to tomorrow because that tomorrow will become day after tomorrow. And Monday I'll start workout and first of the month. And it's not like that. Do your workout, even 30 minutes, even 20 minutes, just for freshening up, just for moving your body. And if day after that you had a good day, go for the hard workout. If you have any question, feel free to put the comment below here. I read all the comments and reply one by one. Or if you wanna see my diets, my lifestyle, my workout more, I put a lot of the story about my foods in my Instagram. You can check it out and get a lot of idea about my foods, how I eat, how I keep my body like this. And sometimes I put the backstage of my shoots, how photo shoot goes on and fashion show and all. See you in next video. Bye bye.